Now, moving towards the second method, that is by using the chain method. So what does the chain method is? It's going to make our iterable to return a particular element from our the first iterable, and after that from the second iterable, and it will go on until all the elements in our iterable they are exhausted. That means they are completed. Now first we are going to import our library, that is from iter tools we are importing the chain method, and after that we are initializing our list, and after that we are going to use the maximum and the chain and the list one and the list two, we are passing them as a parameter, and we are using the chain method to get those particular elements out of our list one, and after that a list two, and after that we are finding the maximum element out of them and we are storing them into the max number. Similarly, it goes for the minimum and we are storing them into the minimum number and we are having them as an output.